What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. Hope you guys are excited for another one, as this one's an interesting one, as it's a model that's been on the market for a very long time now, but I wouldn't say a very long time, but for years. But I finally just got this, thanks to NG Models for kind of re-releasing it almost, producing another batch. We have the NG Models United 757-200 in the Her Art Here, California, the California livery. So it's the one that's like kind of San Francisco and Los Angeles. Mainly San Francisco though, but pretty cool though. So I have the New York, New Jersey one already. I got that at the time of release, but I didn't get a chance to pick up the California one as it sold out before I could get it. So NG Models has for a long time been, at least through Easy Toys, it's been on pre-order, and they finally released another batch of both of them actually, and I finally decided, you know, it's time, I need to get this. So here we have it. And pretty cool, pretty simple box with the, you know, kind of design and everything. It's pretty cool. So this aircraft was unveiled, I want to say in October 2019. And this artwork was done by, I have it here, Tisongwi Mu. She was the artist that created this livery to go on this aircraft. It was a competition that was launched by United, and she won it for the California side of things. So here we have it. Anyway, it's November, what is it, 14106. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's actually not in the standard 757. There's a little card. It's not in the standard 757 sort of box. It's just that regular, you know, box you get like the 737s and A320s, etc. And there's no like the foam packaging or anything. So interesting that on this round, because I know the New York one that I have came in that like thicker, bigger box with the styrofoam mold and whatnot, or well, packaging should I say, not mold. But yeah, so anyway, here's the model, excuse me. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. Wow. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. Woo! Ho-ho. Alrighty. Wow, very, very nice. Oh, this is a beautiful looking aircraft and looking model. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Here, I'm just adjusting the camera for us. Alrighty, wow. This looks amazing. Zoom out here just a little bit. There we go. Take a look at that, guys. Fantastic looking aircraft. They've really done a good job on this. And I'm really happy to finally have this one to complete that sort of two-plane collection. The two-plane special with the California and now, well, the New York and now the California one. So here we go. Let's take a look and zoom in. So around the cockpit there, it's kind of like glasses. So some sort of sunglasses with the blue and the black. Looks really, really nice. You got the little Star Alliance logo as per usual with United. The L1 door. And then you got the main landing gear, or the nose gear there, looking very detailed and really nice. L1 door looking really good too. And then here's the start of this blue sort of wave in the ocean. Very, very nice. I love that they were able to get this on an aircraft, on a model, should I say. It looks just incredible. The United title is looking really nice. You got that L2 door there. Oops, looks like a little bit of dirt. Or a little bit of dust. There we go. And you got the antenna at the top. Got the palm trees looking really, really nice there. Engines here looking very nice. But, of course, you know, the wings as well. And these have the new... This one has the new sort of... wing tip or winglets for the 7.5, the pointier ones looking really nice. Let's move along here. We got the Wi-Fi dome at the back there. No other antennas. But then here's the Golden Gate Bridge bit on the back, and looking very, very nice. There's your registration, 14106, an American flag, and then 001. Actually, that's 0106. The little number right above by the door there. And then you have that, I guess this would be L3, unless I count those two overwing exits. But yeah. Then you got the globe there in the new Evo Blue paint scheme, looking very nice. And this sort of blue and gray at the back, looking very, very nice. I'm assuming it's kind of like to simulate sky. Maybe the gray is kind of simulating the marine layer that is, you know, one of the sort of known things in the San Francisco, in the Bay Area. So very, very nice. We'll spin it around here. Take a look at this side. The same thing, looking really, really nice. You got the baggage doors, the back here, and then up front, it is somewhere right around here. Looking really nice though. A beautiful model, just incredible attention to detail on this model. The fact that they were able to get this on a model looks fantastic. Very, very nice. Taking a look at that, like head on, looking really sleek. I love that look. It looks really, really cool. There's the underneath, just plain and simple, nothing. And then the top down, you have the overwing exit markings looking very, very nice as well. So overall, a fantastic looking aircraft. Very, very happy to finally have this. You know, thank you to NG for doing another batch of both of them, honestly, for those who missed out in the past. And I'm glad I stuck it out and didn't get like the Gemini Jets version, not because, you know, NG naturally has the more superior mold and quality overall. So yeah. Well guys, with that being said, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you did enjoy, and if so, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.